Nike Air Max 95 Recraft 2025 colorway. Nike is rethinking its 30-year-old design in new ways while preparing the model's Big Bubble Neon Retro. The Nike Air Max 95 is one of the most popular models with visible air technology. A black and aqua color scheme emerged recently as an exclusive to big kids. Although it isn't completely new, the two-tone upgrade has been adopted by the Recraft edition of the Air Max 95. Although the upper's materials vary depending on the profile overlays, the pair doesn't stray too far from Sergio Lozano's original design. The seamless structure of the Air Max units beneath you replaces the big bubble treatment used on the kids' cool gray AM95. However, their aqua transformation goes well with the two-tone upper, making it a design that adult sneakerheads will undoubtedly demand. A closer look at the big kids Air Max 95. A price tag of $145 is anticipated.